Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G smartphone, and in this video we are going to do an unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, hardware specs, display and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here on the top of the retail box, we got some images of the device showing front and back. Here we got the name of the brand, MIUI branding. Here you will find the information that it comes with 12GB RAM, 512GB storage, and the color variant we got inside is Moonlight White. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. Redmi by Xiaomi. So here is a SIM card tray ejector pin. Here we got some quick start guide, user manuals, etc. And here is a silicon TPU case for the back panel. As you can see, this time it is not transparent, it is black in color. Here is our Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. A huge and heavy 120 watt charger. And here is a USB Type-C cable. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G, the smartphone, 120 watt charger, USB Type-C cable, user manuals, a silicon TPU case, and this SIM card tray ejector pin. So here you can have a look on some of the hardware specs of the device that it comes with. An ultra clear 200 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization. We got 1.5K 120Hz AMOLED display that is curved in nature, and because of the ultra thin bezels you will get immersive viewing experience. The device is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra. We got 5000 mAh battery with 120 watt hypercharge, and then we got IP68 water and dust resistance. Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G in Moonlight White. So let's switch on the device, and after that we will go through the setup process, and then we will have a detailed look on our Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G here. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side, we got a 6.67-inch display with huge screen to body ratio and the curved edges. Because of that, the side bezels are minimal. The same goes with the bottom bezel as well as at the top bezel. At the top center of the display, you will find the punch hole where front-facing camera is placed. The punch hole for the front-facing camera is quite tiny. Right above it, there is a tiny slit provided for the earpiece. At the top you will find the microphones, an IR blaster as well as speaker grill that is connected with the earpiece. At the bottom we got the another speaker grill, USB Type-C port, microphone and 2 nano SIM card slots. On the right side we got the power key along with volume rockers, and there is nothing provided on the left. The matte finished aluminum frame looks beautiful. It is 8.9 mm thick, but because of the curved edges from both front and back, it looks quite thinner. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and the device comes with top-notch flagship level IP68 water resistance. Along with the Gorilla Glass Victus, Xiaomi also provides a thin screen protector pre-applied on the display of Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. On the back you will find the dual tone finish. At the bottom of the back panel we got the regulatory information 5G branding, and at the top you will find the camera module with Redmi branding, dual tone dual LED flash with 200 mega OIS branding along with camera lenses. The whole camera module part is divided in geometrical rectangular cutouts. As you can see, the back panel is not too reflective. It is attracting a bit of smudges here, but because of the color tone of the device they are not easily visible. The back panel is curved from all 4 sides, and because of that it provides a very solid grip while holding the device in hand, and it feels so sturdy and durable while holding the device. The silicon TPU case provided is of very nice quality, but one drawback here is that the cutout for the camera module is pretty huge, as Xiaomi wanted to show off all of the branding on the camera module, and because of that a great amount of back panel is exposed. So if you really want to protect your device from any kind of damages, then it will be better to buy a third-party case that covers the back panel of your device fully. Overall, in terms of design and build quality, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G is a flagship smartphone in every aspect, as it comes with IP68 water and dust resistant resistance, curved display, curved back panel, Gorilla Glass Victus protection, huge screen to body ratio, premium material as well as premium looking back panel, IR blaster and stereo speaker setup. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.67 inch 1.5K 120Hz AMOLED display with huge screen to body ratio. So the PPI you will get is 446, and because of that the display is just brilliant. It is super sharp, very vibrant colors, and you won't see any pixelation even if I bring the display so close to the camera. Because of the super thin bezels and curved edges, it provides an immersive viewing experience, and you will enjoy watching videos and streaming multimedia content on this device, as it comes with Dolby Vision as well as HDR10 Plus compatibility. It comes with always on display, and Xiaomi provides plenty of options to select for your always on display on Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. It comes with 3 TUV Rhineland certification and a dedicated reading mode that provides a nice viewing experience if you use your smartphone for reading PDFs, ebooks, etc. This is a 120Hz display, and you can even select the refresh rate individually for the applications you want. At 120Hz, the display is very smooth, as you can see here, so you will have a nice viewing experience on this device for sure. And the maximum peak brightness of Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G can go as high as 1800 nits, so you won't feel any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. Now talking about the software, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G comes with Android 13 with MIUI 14, and this is quite disappointing because Xiaomi is already updating many of the smartphones with the HyperOS, and some recent Xiaomi smartphones like the Poco X6 series was launched already with HyperOS. But here for Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G we got MIUI 14 and Android 13, and since Xiaomi supports just 3 years of Android upgrades, the max you will get on this device is Android 16 instead of Android 17. But as we know, the MIUI is very feature rich ROM provided by Xiaomi, and it comes with lots of options and settings that you can use to improve your productivity and do various customization to have a nice user experience. This is the home screen, and as you can see, along with plenty of Google application, it also comes with great amount of MIUI application like the gallery, weather, Mi browser, music, themes, security, game center, cleaner. We got file manager, Xiaomi community, app vault, and if you go to tools, here you will find some nice and useful application, including the Mi remote for the IR blaster we got here. In the more apps, you will find all of these third-party bloatware applications, but the good part is that if you do not want to use any of these, you can easily uninstall them from your Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. Now talking about the camera, we got a 16 megapixel front facing camera, and on the back we got 200 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 2 megapixel dedicated macro lens. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that it comes with photo mode, we got 2x 4x zoom along with the wide angle mode. Here you can see that it comes with HDR, we got AI camera, macro mode, voice shutter, tilt shift, time burst, assist scan, watermark. If you go to video, here you can see that we get the option of recording 1080p resolution videos up to 60 fps. You can record 4K resolution videos either at 24 fps or 30 fps, and if you go to the wide angle video recording, then the 60 fps mode is not available for full HD video recording, and the same goes with the 720p wide angle video recording as well. We got the dedicated 200 megapixel imaging mode that you can use to capture massive resolution images. We got the document mode. If you go to portrait mode, this is the combination of the beautification and the bokeh effect. We got the dedicated night mode that is also available for wide angle lens. And if you go to mode, you can see that it comes with pro mode, panorama, short film, slow motion, where you can record 1080p resolution slow motion videos up to 120 fps. You got the time lapse as well as the long exposure. So in terms of camera features and options, Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G is looking pretty solid. The only thing I'm missing here is the lack of 60 fps mode for 4K video recording, but this is purely because of the Dimensity 7200 processor used, because the camera sensor is fully capable of recording 4K resolution videos at 60 fps. So we will see how good the camera performance of the device is going to be in our future videos. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G comes with Dolby Atmos powered stereo speaker setup. So let's play some ringtones and let's see how good these speakers are. So the audio quality is nice. You can feel good amount of bass in it. So the speaker quality is looking quite impressive for sure. So at the first glance, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G is looking a pretty solid upper mid-range smartphone in nearly every aspect. The device is beautiful, the build quality is solid and flagship level. The huge screen to body ratio with curved edges looks gorgeous. The display is just brilliant and the 200 megapixel camera is looking quite impressive. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G like the gaming review, benchmarking test score results, camera review, comparison with other smartphones, battery charging speed test, battery drain test, etc. will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.